Hi, I'm Scott McLuen, General Sales Manager, Body Beautiful Car Wash. These little guys, I've been using these for a very long time. Gets the job done. We sell the services, and I have to communicate with the worker guys in front. Check this out. On the inside is my Armor All tires and the wheel bright, which tells the guys to actually clean all 4 metal wheels. Next, on the outside, D for Deluxe, and the air freshener, let's just call it Lemon. It's vibrant, and it comes off real easily. Of course, that's just with my finger. With a damp towel, perfect. Lemon, cherry, new car, jasmine, maybe cottage. Look, that's the best one.